Hi guys, good morning. Let's look at the today NCRT. This chapter is from NCRT class 10, right? And class 10 and the chapter first, okay? And the chapter name you already know, that's the power sharing, right? So what do you mean by the power sharing here? Obviously it's a simple thing. This is the central government, this is state government, right? And something like the local state bodies like panchayat raj and this something. So power seems like this might be solving for the culture, this for the main law, okay? And this state government mostly for secondary subjects, right? They are making laws on secondary subjects, so that how the power sharing occur actually. So in this chapter you have a simple case scenario for the three and the four state, and the first is Belgium, second is Sri Lanka, okay, and the third is just given it is in the example, and that is Lebanon and the Russia, okay. So let's go ahead and let's look at the what exactly these have. Let's look at this map, okay. Whatever you're able to listen, because this is a Dutch speaking, okay, and this is French speaking, and this is German speaking. So you can see the population of the French is more. Can you say? Definitely not, yeah. The population of Dutch is more. Okay, if you look at the whole map, the population of Dutch people is greater than French, right? But if you look at the capital, right, the capital is the Brussels. If you look at the capital, then you will get to know that there are 80% French speaking, and the 20% are just what, Dutch speaking, okay. If you the simple concept here, long story short, this is Belgium, right? If you look at the whole country, the just like the India, okay, look at the India. uh, like the Hindi people are more in India, okay, as compared with the rest of India, like the Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Gujarati, Bengali. So population of Hindi is more, just like the French people. And if we look at Dutch, they have the less population, right? Just like the Kannada or Tulu speaking language in the Mangalore of India, right? Or you can call it Tripuri language or Nagas, and this all language, right? So what happened in the Belgium, right? Belgium capital. Where is the Belgium capital? The capital of Belgium is the Brussels, right? And in the Brussels, what is happening? There is more population of French, okay, and very less percent of us speaking Dutch. So lastly, they decided to do a sharing, okay, sharing model. Irrespective of their population, 50% seat reserved for Dutch speaking and 50% for French speaking, right? The same scenario at the Brussels. There is a different government for a state capital, Brussels, okay. And you might know that there is a lot of international organization headquartered in Brussels, right? Even in the state, what they decided, as there is 80% of French speaking, but still they decided 50-50 format, and 50% are Dutch and the 50% French. Seat, I am talking about the seat, okay. 50% seat reserved for the Dutch and 50% seat reserved for French. And there is another third kind of government, okay, that is called community. Third type is the community government, right? Community government. So what about the community government? The concept is quite simple. Okay, they included the German speaking people also. You know, this area is German speaking, so they included the German speaking people, right? So the one will be from French, one will be from Dutch, and one will be from German. Okay, and that is called community government at the local level, right? At local level, you like just like in the India, there is a Panchayati Raj, okay, Gram Sabha. The same scenario is community government in Belgium, and they have the three: one seat for German, one for the French, and one for the Dutch, irrespective of their population, right? Got it? Let's go ahead.